Guys, welcome to the Trading Day Academy, the Day Trading Academy. I think we're on day like 34, but I just wanted to have a talk with you guys, right? I usually talk with my Discord about this a lot, actually, and it's something that I want to let you guys know, that less is ironically more in trading. You don't need to work a whole ton in trading. Trading is like it's pretty. I usually compare it to like an athlete. I know that's kind of funny because we sit down on our asses all day. We don't really perform with our body or anything like that. But it is a very mental, taxing game, right? It's a mental taxing game where you really have to. You get paid on your performance, right? You don't get paid for sitting here for 8 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours a day, whatever it is, 2 hours a day, whatever it is, right? You don't get paid for sitting here. The more you sit here, the worse it is. Trust me, right? The more you sit here and stare at these charts, the more like you're gonna be like, oh, okay, this might work, this might work, this might work, this won't work. Like you're gonna start doubting yourself a lot. So ironically, yeah, less is more in trading. You're not gonna get paid by sitting here all day on the charts, trying to figure out different setups, trying to chase every single setup. And that's over trading. You don't want to fall into the habit of over trading. We want to create good habits. We don't want to fall into bad habits in trading. So, yeah, less is more in trading, man. What I want you guys to understand is that every day is not going to be a trading day. And we haven't even gotten into like strategies for trading. Like you guys have just been learning individual concepts in a lot of these videos, and pretty much every single video thus far, you guys have been learning individual concepts, which is good because I need you guys to understand these individual concepts before we start blending some of them together to form different strategies that I want you guys to learn. And this is where you guys are going to figure out, okay, I like this strategy. I don't really like that strategy. You guys are going to be able to pick and choose from the strategies that I'm going to upload in this academy, which is pretty cool. But I want to include this video, and I might actually make a part 2 to this a little bit later, so that way I can remind you guys, because it's very important that you don't trade every day. And this goes back to the rules video where you have to make rules. And I'll probably make a part 2 to that one too, because it's going to be very important. Because once you dial in on a strategy, and once you find a strategy that you really like and you want to stick with for a while, you're going to want to like set rules for that strategy. Like maybe on this day you didn't see the criteria for entering a trade, so you would just avoid the morning session and then come back in the PM session and see if you found a trade, right? Like for me, today is pretty much a no news week. We didn't have any high impact, medium impact news for the start of the week. So I didn't even trade yesterday, which was Monday, right? And today I was paper trading because I'm not confident in the market conditions right now. So, and I didn't really see anything that I liked with the strategy that I'm currently using. I didn't really see a whole bunch that I liked today, this morning. So that's why I was paper trading. I didn't want to risk any live funds. I didn't want to risk any funded accounts or anything like that, any evals. I was pretty much just paper trading, tape reading, practicing, right? And that's perfectly fine. As somebody where I'm at, right, at my caliber, it's perfectly fine to tape read and paper trade and just be cautious, okay? Because every day is not a trading day. Like I need you guys to understand that every day you are not going to make money in these markets. It's not a guarantee. This is a probabilities game, like I said, like I've been saying. It's a probabilities game, guys. You guys are not going to make money every single day. You guys are going to lose, and it's important that you deal with those losses with your chin up and you move forward, right? If you need advice or if you need to rewatch that video about taking losses and moving forward, go rewatch that. Okay, I might make a part 2 to this video because it's very important that you understand that less is more in trading. Ironically, right? A lot of people don't believe me whenever I tell them that less is more in trading. And you guys are going to need to really understand that. And you guys will. If you guys don't believe me and you guys just go against this advice, you guys are going to believe me later on in your trading career. I promise you, bro. I fucking promise you. You guys are going to believe me that less is more. When you do less staring at the charts, when you get more disciplined in, okay, this is not happening. I don't see any of my criteria to enter a trade right now. I'm just going to, walk away. And yes, it is difficult to walk away, especially somebody who's really like studying super hard. It is difficult because you want to be right. All right. You want to be right. Your ego is not letting you leave because you need to be right. You need to make money. That's another topic for another video, but I'm just saying that less is more in trading. When you really hop off these charts, you get your study time in, you get your back testing in, and that's it, bro. Just, less is more. I promise you guys, take it from somebody who's been day trading for 5 years. Okay. Less is more in day trading. I promise you guys. As soon as like I started hopping off the charts, like way earlier, like I get into the markets, I trade for an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours max, and I hop off, and then I come back later. My profitability just went way up, bro, like way fucking up. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to throw this video in here. Again, it's like another psychology video, which is very important in trading. I know a lot of you guys probably don't want to hear it and you guys want to get into the strategies and stuff, but it's very important that you guys watch these videos all the way through and you guys really understand what I'm trying to say here. And you guys will, like I said, you guys really will. Once I start uploading these strategies and you guys are like, damn, okay, so which one do I need to pick? You guys will have certain criteria for each one. And then, all you got to do is just dial in on that model or that strategy that you like. And that's it, right? If nothing pops up for the day, then just fucking go on about your day, dude. That's it. All right. But I just wanted to throw in here a little piece of advice from me to you guys. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little yap session. But yeah, let's move on to the next video. Catch you guys later. See you tomorrow.